Health and Safety Management System provides our personnel with policies and procedures to be used on each and every project. The purpose of our policy is to develop a high standard of safety throughout all operations of Shinn Mechanical and to ensure that no employee is required to work under any conditions which are hazardous or unsanitary. We believe that each employee has the right to work in a safe environment, and they understand that Shinn Mechanical will never compromise an employee's health or safety. Management will provide the necessary resources required in order to initiate and maintain complete accident prevention. We will provide initial and ongoing training for employees and a system for identifying and correcting workplace hazards.
The health safety management system is a pillar of what we do here at Shinn Mechanical and Shinn Fire Protection. We do risk assessment prior to any job. We assess hazards and risks. We create a specific HAZAP, a health safety plan for those jobs to ensure worker safety. We train our workers to ensure that they understand the risks and hazards associated to their jobs. We implement procedures and tools so they're successful and understand that process. There's no job that we will do unsafe. We will manage all our aspects of work activity through risk management and assessment, leadership in our foremen and our personnel. We allow individuals the time to do the job right, do it safely, and go home safely. We've created this tool. It's a flip chart. It has all our procedures as a general reminder, same specific things you would find in our health safety plans. And these are our pocketbooks as a reminder tool for all our workforce. It allows the individuals to actually identify risk, knows their roles, responsibilities, talk about hazards, identify the fatal hazard activities that we do every day in our work and how to manage these safely within our work environment. We talk about the general safe work procedures that we need to do and how to report incidents when things fail, our absent or failed defense system, and how to activate it. It's a key component of how we keep our workers safe here. So the importance of a pre-op inspection is that it's a reminder of what we do, how we do it. Pilots use these. It's important. Why? Because we make mistakes as humans. It allows us to actually follow a process. It's a systematic approach of these things. We don't always recognize hazards because we're focusing on our job. We don't recognize the maintenance issues because we're focusing on our job. It also allows us to establish what needs to be fixed, the hours, what maintenance needs to be done so they're operating in an optimal condition for our workers to be safe, to conduct the work effectively, and that's part of our success. Quality, safety, execution.
Here at Shinn Mechanical, we are proud of our dedication to the safety and health of our employees. Our level of commitment begins at the top and goes above and beyond compliance. Providing an injury-free work environment requires a team effort, and our employees are encouraged to participate in identifying ways to make our company a safer place to work.
When you do a job that's strong in health and safety, your quality, your competency, the schedule is always managed, always maintained. That's what we do. That's part of the pillars that we run here at Shinn Mechanical.
Working safely is a condition of employment at Shinn Mechanical that will not be compromised.